In this movement break or exercise stack, our focus is on balance. We'll be close to a support such as a sturdy chair or a countertop or a wall. I'm Sandra. Thanks for joining me. Before we get into the balance exercises, let's warm up by marching on the spot. These movement breaks or exercise snacks are great ways to add some health and fitness into your day, break up prolonged periods of sitting. Today we are focused on balance, and when we do balance exercises, studies show that we will improve our balance, reduce our risk of falls. So I'm glad you're here joining me. We'll just keep marching on this spot for a few more moments. We could roll the shoulders up, back, and down, and do that 2 more times. When we want to increase our balance, we can make our feet in a wider position. So a wide base of support. We might even stagger our feet, have a little bend in our knees so we feel really secure and balanced here. When we want to challenge our balance and work on our balance, we want to decrease that base of support in a safe way. So be close to a sturdy chair or a wall or a countertop. Feel free to have your hand on your support the whole time, especially if you're newer to these kind of exercises. And then you can always lift and lower your hand or have your hand lifted the whole time, knowing you can put it down as needed. Feel free to come in and out of these positions. So the first way we're going to decrease our base of support is having our feet lined up in tandem. Let's take the right foot in front of the left. So you might have your feet lined up heel to toe, or if that's feeling like a bit much of a challenge, you can always have a little bit of space between them. So always listening to your body before you listen to my instructions. So we've got the feet in tandem. Starting with your hand on your support, thinking about pulling the belly button in, lift the chest, stand nice and tall, other arm out to the side. We're going to do palms down, palms up. Again, either with your hand on your support or both arms out to the side. Find a spot to focus your gaze across the room or on the floor. And we've got palms down, palms up, palms down, palms up. Keep that going, either one arm or 2 arms. 4, 3, 2, 1. And arms come down and just uncross your feet, just shake everything out. We'll stay where we are, and we're going to put left foot in front of right. So either heel to toe, or you could have a little space in between. You could start with your hand on your support, other arm out to the side. If you're feeling pretty balanced here, both arms out. And as I said, you might have your hand down and up. You might come in and out of the position. This is all a work in progress. Belly pulled in, chest lifted, palms down, palms up, palms down, palms up. Keep this going. 4, 3, 2, 1, and arms come down and just shake out your feet. Any moves you want to do between. Next, we're going to come either up onto one toe or lift our knee, couple options. So let's put the weight into our left foot, get secure on your left foot, and then just come up onto your right toes, being really light on your toes, like you can easily lift and lower this foot. This time for our arm position, we will have arms out to the side, but we're just going to hold them. So either one arm or both arms, find that spot to focus on and either stay light on your toe, or you could play around with lifting the knee and breathe. Feel free to adjust, put the foot down and lift it up again. Big breaths. Notice your breath. Let's take one more full breath. Release the position. Other side, we're going to put our weight into our Right foot up on your left toes, just light on the toes. Arms out. Focus on one spot. Staying light on your toes or lift your knee. We're in this together. We're breathing. Let's have another full breath. And foot down and arms down. For our last exercise, we're going to have option to be on one heel light in front of us, or just slightly lifting that extended leg. So we'll start again, weight on the left foot. Just feel that security of the left foot on the floor. And you can start with your hand on your support if you would like. Right leg, we're going to bring the heel forward. So we're just landing on our heel, flexed at the ankle with the toe lifted. Come back to that nice upright upper body. Arms out to the side. We're holding the arms here again, either staying on the heel or just slightly lifting that extended leg. Hold and breathe. Come back to your breath. And one more full breath. Foot down, shake everything out. Other side, weight into the right foot, left heel forward, flex at the ankle, lift your toes, arms out to the side. Either stay on your heel or lift that foot, lift the extended leg. It's a good chance to think about our breath. And let's have one more big breath. And foot down. And shake everything out. Give yourself a pat on the back. Nice work. Adding some fitness, taking care of our health through the day, improving balance, which is going to translate into your day-to-day life. Thanks so much for being here. I always appreciate a like, comment below. Thank you so much for being here. Have a wonderful day.